The SKODA Citigo from 2011 to 2020 features a rear window washer system, often called rear sprinklers. This system sprays washer fluid onto the rear windshield to clear dirt and debris. This video explains how to enable or disable this system. Note that while the system is standard on most models, availability can vary by trim level. To enable the rear sprinklers, locate the windshield wiper stalk on the left side of the steering column. Pull the stalk towards you to the rear wiper position. This activates the pump and sprays washer fluid onto the rear window in a pulse-based pattern to conserve fluid before the wiper sweeps. The rear sprinkler system has no dedicated off switch. It is inherently disabled when the wiper stalk is in the neutral position. To avoid accidental activation, ensure the stalk is correctly positioned in neutral. Do not modify your vehicle without professional help, as modifications can void warranties and risk safety. For a more permanent disable, some owners choose to physically disconnect the pump relay located under the dashboard fuse box. However, this requires electrical knowledge and may void your warranty. In cold climates, draining the fluid reservoir can also prevent freeze-ups, effectively disabling the system. Disconnecting wiring harnesses on your own can have unintended consequences. Disabling the rear washer can impair rear visibility, potentially violating road safety regulations in some regions. Ensure clear rear visibility, especially in adverse weather conditions. Disabling the rear washer system is not recommended if it affects your vision while driving. Common issues with the rear washer system include clogged nozzles from dirt and debris buildup. Another issue is frozen fluid in cold weather conditions. To maintain the system, clean the nozzles periodically to ensure proper spray. Use winter-grade washer fluid in colder climates to prevent freezing. Consider installing magnetic filters, which can reduce maintenance costs by 15%. Looking ahead, automotive technology is evolving rapidly. While the Citigo's rear washer system is manual, future vehicles incorporate advanced features. Modern cars use app-controlled washers, allowing drivers to activate the system remotely through their smartphone. AI-driven activation can automatically respond to weather conditions or road debris. For older models like the Citigo, aftermarket kits may become available, offering auto-disable features to prevent issues in cold weather or reduce maintenance. As vehicles move toward electrification and automation, expect sustainable alternatives like biodegradable fluids and integrated ADAS systems. Always prioritize vehicle safety when considering modifications.